This is a quick tutorial to show you how to turn an old pair of jeans into a reusable shopping bag. You can download the free pattern that I made for this by following the link in the description below. I made this pattern so that it will work with an average pair of jeans, but if you have a pair of skinny jeans or a pair of jeans with narrow legs, then it might not be big enough for this pattern. So to start with, you want to cut 2 pattern pieces on the fold. You can line up the fold with one side of the pants. Next, you want to sew the front and back of the bag together. You'll do this along the bottom and sides, and then also at the top of the handles. Flatten the inner corners to make a triangle, and then sew about 1.5 inches from the tip of the triangle. Then you want to turn the bag to the right side. And to finish the seams, we're going to use single fold bias tape. Open the single fold bias tape and line it up along the edge of the bag. And then sew along the fold of the bias tape that's closest to the edge of the bag. After sewing that, you are going to fold the bias tape over to the reverse side of the bag and then stitch through all layers. This will encase the raw edges of the denim so that it won't be fraying over time. And that's it, you have finished. You have a reusable shopping tote that you made using an old pair of jeans.